So over here you can see that I have this particular view right now and I am in a certain height. And if you want to go ahead and set a certain height specifically, then you can actually go around over here onto camera and then go around over here onto position camera. And here you can see that the height offset is 5 by 6 inch. But let's say I want to see by 3 inch, then I can simply type in 3. I don't need to actually go ahead and click, simply press enter. Then what happens is that it is 3 feet right here. So let's just go around over here and say 7 right here. Type in the inch right here just like this, and 7 feet, and let's say for example 6 inch right here just like this. Press enter, and then you can see that the height changes accordingly right here. So this is when you actually go ahead and go for position camera or walk, or even look around to right here. So what happens is that the height offset is there itself. So you can simply go ahead and type in the height offset right here just like this. And then similarly, you can simply go ahead and then define it out according to how you want right here, and it'll be changed out accordingly. So that is how you can go ahead and then see. And as I move around the camera, you will be able to see the eye height over here just like that as well. So that is how you can set height by typing into SketchUp as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.